In this problem we have a swing ride and the occupant and the chair is going around a circle, and we have to find out the speed of the chair. So the length of the string is L, the radius is R, tension is capital T, and a small m is the mass of the occupant plus chair. Now the angle of the string or cable attached to the occupant is theta, which is equal to 60 degree. So this angle will also be 60 degree. Now in vertical direction, the vertical component of tension T cos theta balances the weight of